Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. I'm Jessica
and I'm Jennifer,
and today we're talking about 7 superfoods that lead to hair growth, so stay tuned. So interestingly, your hair actually grows 0.5 inches every month and up to 6 inches every year. So some of us are wondering, where is this hair going? And what you have to understand is that there are lots of factors that play into you not seeing this hair growth, such as genetics, your age, your diet, and your diet. So that's what we're talking about today, how your diet plays a role in this. So although you can control factors like your age and genetics, your diet is one factor that you can absolutely have control over. So what you put into your body, how you take care of your health, this is something that you can control. Some of the most common reasons that you see a lot of hair loss or you experience a lot of hair thinning are stress. This is one of the most popular reasons, especially around young people, because it's pretty uncommon for you to see a young person going through a lot of hair loss or thinning. If you're experiencing this, do try and see if you're going through a lot of stress, maybe in university or a lot of stress in your current job. These are heavy factors that actually allow your hair to thin or allow you to go through hair loss. Another factor is your diet, and this is something we're going to go into in depth today. Your diet plays a heavy role. What you consume into your body sometimes is even more powerful than any hair products that you can put in your hair. You could use all the hair products in the world, it wouldn't amount to you consuming food that would help your hair grow, strengthen your nails, help your skin, and your overall health. And the last factor is excessive dieting or junk food and smoking. People think that they can get away with this, especially if you're young, but this plays a heavy role. You find that by the time you hit a certain age, like maybe your 40s, your hair is thinning and your skin is damaged. Your skin probably is aging a lot faster than a lot of people your age. This is because of the food that you consumed. It's because of smoking. It's because of excessive dieting or junk food constantly. Or excessive alcoholism. Yes. All of these play a factor in your hair, as crazy as it sounds. We're going to go in depth today on the kinds of foods that you should be eating that would help your hair grow, help your skin flourish, and help your overall health. So the very first food item that we're going to go over that helps your hair growth are eggs. Now this is the most popular one because it's a great source of protein. Whenever people think of protein for your hair, they think eggs. But alongside eggs, you could also have yogurt, you could have tofu, you could also have milk. But egg is such a great source because it also contains biotin. And if you know anything about hair, biotin is one of the strong supplements that really help your hair grow. So eggs contain vitamin H and also vitamin B7, and it's such a great source of protein. And the reason why is because the hair follicles are actually made of protein, and a lack of protein actually leads to a loss of hair. So protein sources like eggs also contains biotin, and biotin is so essential because it produces a hair protein called keratin. This is the reason why biotin is marketed as such a strong hair growth product. Studies have actually shown that biotin can help improve hair growth in people with biotin deficiency in their diet. So our next superfood is spinach, and this is so important because it is a source of iron, and other sources of iron include cabbage, includes nuts, it includes broccoli, it includes beans. So spinach is such a healthy green vegetable that is loaded with iron, with vitamin C and vitamin A, all of which promotes hair growth. Spinach contains iron, and iron is so important because it helps with the formation of hemoglobins. Hemoglobin, when not present in your blood, reduces the supply of oxygen to your scalp, and this actually affects hair growth. These sources of iron, all these leafy green vegetables, actually help moisturize the scalp and improve hair growth. So the next superfood is fatty fish, and this contains vitamin B12 and vitamin D. And you can find it in meat, in fish, in salmon, in dairy products, and even in milk. So foods such as salmon, as mackerel, as nuts are excellent sources of omega-3 fatty acids, which have been linked to hair growth. Whilst the protein found in meat are actually known to aid hair growth and to repair hair follicles. A study actually showed that a lot of women taking the fish oil supplement tablets had an increase in hair growth and a reduction in hair thinning. This is because it really intensifies your hair growth. I don't know if you guys have ever tried the fish oil supplement tablets, but this really aids hair growth. I do recommend it if you cannot get your hands on salmon or any of these fatty fishes, oftentimes they're a bit expensive in the stores. If you can't get your hand on it, or if you just don't have time, I'll really recommend you take the fish oil tablets. Yes. So our next superfood is sweet potatoes, and this is a source of vitamin A. Other sources can be found in carrots and pumpkins. So sweet potatoes are a great source of beta-carotene, and the body converts this compound to vitamin A, which really leads to strong hair growth. Research has actually shown that vitamin A enhances the production of sebum, which keeps the hair healthy. Also, vitamin A is also known to speed up the rate of hair growth and even lead to thicker hair, and it's also known to actually stop hair fall. So our next superfoods are avocados, and this is a very popular one. The whole avocado rave is still going on. It helps with your hair and all around health. And this is a source of vitamin E. It can also be found in spinach and also almonds. Avocados are rich in vitamin E, which is an antioxidant that promotes hair growth. They are also rich in fatty acids, which leads to stronger and healthier hair. So our next superfoods are berries, and these contain a source of vitamin C. They can be found in strawberries, blackberries, in guava, in lemon. Another alternative for berries, as being it is vitamin C, is taking your vitamin C supplement. So this is something that you can actually take every day. It's very easy for you to find in any pharmacy around you. Berries are loaded with beneficial vitamins and compounds that promote hair growth. So berries contain vitamin C, obviously, which is a great antioxidant, and it really helps fight against damage and free radicals to your hair. Vitamin C just all in all strengthens your immune system. It just prevents you from any kind of internal damage, which also includes damage in your hair. Vitamin C also produces collagen, which we've also always talked about. Collagen helps the strength of your hair. It helps your hair from breaking. It prevents your hair from being brittle. So our last superfood is zinc. And zinc is really important because a lack of zinc has been linked to alopecia, it has been linked to hair fall and getting bald patches or even post-pregnancy shedding. Now this one is really important because I find a lot of women in particular go through phases where they have the bald patches or post-pregnancy shedding. So zinc is really important, and it can be found in your meats, it can be found in shellfish, it can be found in a lot of nuts, peanuts, almonds, cashew nuts, hazelnuts, and it's really important for everybody to take zinc. So our last tip that I'm going to give, separate from the superfoods, is using a hair growth oil. Guys, we've done like 2 major videos. You may have even found us from our hair growth oil video, talking about the strength in using a hair growth oil every single night, massaging your head literally for 5 minutes using a growth oil. You can make your own growth oil, or you can watch our video, we'll link it down below, on massaging a growth oil into your scalp. This helps to stimulate growth. If you have experienced shedding, if you experience thinning in any part of your hair, just put a few drops of a growth oil every night for 5 minutes and massage a growth oil. But alongside all of these amazing practices and taking care of your hair with the treatments that you do, it's so important what you actually put into your body, because that's the most important element that helps with your hair growth. So all in all, what you put into your body can have an adverse effect on your hair growth. So take that into account. If you need to switch up your diet and include all of these amazing vitamins and foods that we mentioned, do include these superfoods, and this will massively help with your hair growth. Another thing I wanted to say is, if you're pregnant, going through pregnancy, I would say that you actually either take supplements or really try to have a balanced diet, because sometimes pregnancy can actually lead to a deficiency in some of these vitamins that we have mentioned. Also, if you take anything from any of the videos that we have done, where we show you DIY routines, we show you products, everything, is that what you put internally is so much more important than what you're putting. Yeah, it's so much more powerful than what you're putting externally. Let us know down below if you tried any of these superfoods and which one is your favorite. Let us know. So thank you guys for watching this video, and don't forget to comment, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you in our next one. Bye.